Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, starting off with Euro USD as usual, second down week at the moment. Indexes are going in the opposite direction, which is weird, but anyway, what we're looking for is to continue this move to the downside, but we obviously don't want to jump in at the bottom here. We want to jump in off structure. So, closest bit of structure at the moment, let's just look at yesterday's view. So I said to you, look for a London breakout strategy, first 8 1-hour bars. That's pretty much what it played out as well. And when we did the video, this was a level that was being tested, and you could see it was tested pretty solidly there for a move to the downside. And then there was a retest here, which you probably would have picked up on a 15-minute chart. Not very clear, but there you can see the break and then the 1-bar pullback. And then we started falling. But anyway, that was the level we had to pay attention to. It was really early in the session, so wouldn't really have got it. But there were other opportunities as well. So these tails, as soon as you broke through these tails, they would have offered resistance. So for today, we have a bit of a problem because that's the closest structure. That's 108103. And then I just want to get to the weekly here. I just want to see where this weekly support is. It's very close right here. Be a little bit reluctant to jump in, to be quite honest. So you're probably going to be held up down here at 107351. So depending what happens now, if you do get a bit of a range break and a retest, there's a one-to-one trade on offer maybe. I would prefer to move back up here. So I'd prefer to move back up to 108103 before looking for another opportunity to the downside. So may not happen. This may just move down range and then range break. So that you'd be looking for on a 15-minute. So your stop is going to be above the current high of the day, and you're looking for a break of this, but you need to wait for the first 8 1-hour bars before you take that trade. So, and then you can just look for a 5 or a 10 or a 15-minute close below this level, or whatever the bottom of the range is. Then short stop on the high, and then you're looking to target 107342. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, we've had a pretty solid break above the previous high here, and that's 137783. Obviously, oscillators all group the upside, indicating we're a little bit tired. So what we're looking for is a pullback onto structure. Now, 1-hour structure is right there at 137967. So that would make the most sense. It does look like a little bit of a flag forming here. And I just want to move across to the left quickly. Look at this area of resistance that we are toying with at the moment. So yeah, it's a difficult one. I think I'm just going to fine tune that again. Let's just look at that again. You're definitely looking at 137.818. If we can get back there, find support, so we start moving, that's going to be the opportunity to buy into this. If you're on the lower time frames, like 15 minutes, and this range breaks the upside, well worth taking the trade to the upside with a stop right below the bottom of the range. And then you're going to have to just look where the next structure is, and from a weekly perspective, it's going to be 139.463. Okay, moving on to pound, British pound, Japanese yen. Looking like a double top at the moment, to be quite honest. Don't trust the structure at all. And if we drop down to the hour, you can see big up, flag, tried to break through the flag, coming back, finding support here. So still, this is one area, 171684, or 171430. So if you do start getting a bounce off there, it's probably worth taking a move to the upside. Your stop is going to be like the swing low of yesterday. Oscillators are starting to agree. Everything agrees with the move to the upside. So it could also drop to the bottom of, sorry, to the low of yesterday, and that would form a range. So yeah, halfway in the range here. So this is the area I'd be paying attention to. Get down to 50 minutes to watch this when the market opens. If you see the structure here, you can get a nice tight stop, anticipating a break to the upside. And a break to the upside would be telling, because the next bit of structure, just do this on the weekly. So you can see pretty much a decent high there. And there's your next bit of structure just above us. So you've got a fairly decent target of 137.867. So for argument's sake, even if we get down here, you're looking at a 350 point stop loss for potentially a swing up for 2,346 points. So pay attention to that one. That's looking really interesting. Lastly, Euro British Pound. Remember, we had strong weekly resistance here at what's this, 86.717. Really, really strong weekly resistance here. So I don't expect us just to plummet through that. You can see move up, skip that level completely, what we were expecting, and basically targeted that area there, which makes sense. Look at it. Look at all the tails there. Look at all the tails there. So there was your pin bar. Would have stressed you out a little bit. It's 107 points, and your target would have been hit at 215 points. So for today, just move these levels down. You've already had a rejection here, but you've got a move to the upside. So what you're looking for is another rejection. Just going to move this one down as well. That's your zone at the moment. So you're looking for 0.86875 or 0.86847, and you're again looking to target this weekly area at 0.86717. Yeah, so that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers for now.